Yeah, it's Mall of Columbia in Columbia, Maryland. Got this unknown elevator, exactly. There's a cab here, this thing. Interesting cab here.
Are you coming out or?
We're going out.
Okay, come on in. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, it's the beginning of like working with her with that.
Yeah.
So I mean, first of all, it wouldn't be realistic for us to carry her through the mall, but also like, I don't want to just like, you know what I mean?
Yes, I'm sad to say I set it off though by wanting you to sit her up a little bit.
Well, it did seem like she should sit up a little.
Yeah.
Now she's sitting up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There it goes. That's it.